Hi guys, welcome back. So today I have a tutorial on this look right here. This is a really glam and sophisticated makeup look and I'm absolutely loving it. So I've used a bunch of products from Delilah, which are available on Scentstore.com, and Scentstore are kindly sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much. These are some of the products that I'll be using in today's tutorial, and Delilah is a British luxury makeup brand. They're cruelty free, they're paraben free, they're derma-logical tested, and they're also officially PETA registered, and some of them are vegan and most of them are vegetarian products. So if you want to see these Delilah products in action and how I created this makeup look, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Delilah Damsel Colour Intense eyeshadow palette. So I've primed my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I've also applied some tape to the edges of my eyes as well, because I like how the eyeshadow turns out when I do that. So that's what the palette looks like inside. They are really pretty shades in it. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here. I'm going to apply that into my crease. I'm also going to take it quite far out to the outer corner there as well. Then I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to pack that into my outer corner. I'm going to press that right here on the outer corner just to deepen up a little bit. I'm now going to take this matte grey shade right here and I'm just going to also pack that into my outer corner just to make it even deeper. I'm just packing it into the outer corner and just flicking it in a little bit onto my lid. Just using a clean blending brush, just making sure that's nice and blended. Then come back in with some more. I know it looks hell of a messy right now, but once I remove the tape it will look nice and clean and sharp at the edge. So I'm going to take a little bit of this black shade now and just packing that on top of that last shade I applied, that grey, the dark grey colour, just to make it a little bit more smokier. Taking my clean-ish blending brush and just making sure that's nice and blended at the edge here. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade now and I'm going to apply that onto my lid. Okay, so I just want to warm up the eye a little bit, so I'm going to grab a little bit of this shade right here and I'm just going to apply that to the edge of where my shadow, like where my shadow finishes, so sort of right along this area here. Just adds a little warmth to the eye look. Really lovely pigmented shadows in this palette, really liking them. Now I'm going to do a wing liner.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you.
Okay, I'm now going to use the Delilah Pure Light Illuminating Powder. And this one's in the shade Aura, and that's what it looks like inside there. Really pretty shade. I'm going to swatch a little bit of it on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like right there, if you can see that. It's a nice kind of subtle golden colour, like a golden champagne colour. Looks really nice actually. I think it will suit my skin colour really well. That's so pretty, like really nice. You see it just popping right there. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take a little bit of this on a smaller brush, and I'm just going to apply this into my inner corner. I think it will really make that area pop, like, ooh, that's so pretty. Goes well with that lid shade there actually. Really nice. Just going to apply a little bit to my brow bone right here.
Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door.
Now for my lips, I'm going to use the Delilah Colour Intense Cream Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Floozy, and it's a red shade like that. So I'm going to apply a lip liner before I apply this, because I prefer to do that with kind of quite a deep colour. So the lip liner, I'm going to just use just a red lip liner, and I'm just going to obviously outline my lips and fill them in ever so slightly.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep.
It's a really nice red shade. I like the creamy formula of it. It makes it really comfortable to wear, and like it's a nice kind of red colour. It's not like a super in your face. It's a bit more muted red, which I think is really pretty. And you guys know me, if you've been following me for a long time, you know I don't really wear red lipsticks, but this one is actually really nice. I do like this one, and I would recommend it to you if you're into red lipsticks, and I definitely recommend this one. Really comfortable. I love the creamy finish to it, and I actually really like the undertone to this red colour as well. Yeah, really pretty, so I'm liking this lipstick. Sorry about the rain right now, it's coming down really heavy, so it's sounding really loud on the camera right now. I would absolutely love to try more shades from the cream range from Delilah, like this one in particular. The formula is really nice. I would love to try some kind of nuder shades in the collection, and on Scentstore they do have like a bunch of other shades obviously available. These are actually paraben free, derma-logical tested, and also vegetarian friendly. So to finish off the makeup look, I'm going to spritz myself with the new YSL Libra perfume. Like, I'm really loving this perfume right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I will leave the notes on the screen here for you. This is also available at Scentstore as well. I'm going to spritz a little bit of this just now, and like, oh, it just smells so nice. Goes perfect with this makeup look because it's like so glam and sophisticated. Love it. So guys, this is the completed makeup look, and really gorgeous look. Absolutely love it. It's very glam. It's just stunning. I really love this look, and I love the products that I used. The eyeshadow palette from Delilah. This is the Colour Intense eyeshadow palette in Damsel. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the formula of the eyeshadows in it. They're very pigmented, very creamy, very easy to blend out. Real nice mix of shades in there. You can get some cool eye looks, and you can also get some warm eye looks with the golds, the purples, and this kind of reddy burgundy undertone one here. Really nice palette, love it, love this eye look, and this illuminating powder is absolutely gorgeous as well. Really love how smooth this highlight is. Like, I just love the pop it gives to the cheeks. It's not like overly done, it just looks like a natural glow from within. And if you can see the shades of the highlight there, there's actually rose gold, peach and lavender, and when these shades are mixed together it actually brightens dull complexions. So I actually really love how it's made my cheekbones really pop and makes them look a lot brighter. And yeah, just really love this highlight. It's very smooth. I'll be using it a lot more because I just really love how smooth it is. It doesn't emphasise any texture or anything like that on my skin. I like to keep my highlight pretty high up on my cheekbones there rather than bringing it too far forward. And yeah, I just love the pop that it gives to my cheekbones there. I've got a little bit on my nose and that as well. Just a really pretty illuminating powder. So really love this. I would really recommend that as well, guys. All the Delilah products that I use in today's tutorial are available on Scentstore.com. I will link them down below in the description box for you. And yeah, thank you so much to Scentstore for partnering and sponsoring today's video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video as well, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.